k varies from 1 to here is 5. K is not equal to I yik. So this is equal to P2 J of Q2 V2 star Y22 minus of, if you expand this, so I is 2, Y21, first A is 1, V1 minus of K, I is 2. So K is not equal to 2. So we have no term regarding Y22. Then Y23, V3, Y24, V4 and minus of Y25, V5. So we can write this as, this is equal to, here also we have the YII divided by Y22, 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 Y22. So we need to find, before we start, we need to find A2 is equal to P2 minus of J Q2 upon Y2. P2 for the bus number 2. P2 is equal to PG minus 0. P2 is given. So P2 value is 2.0. But Q2 is not given because QG is not given. So we are unable to calculate the Q2. So in order to find the Q2, we have to apply the reactive power equation. For the Q2, minus of sum, K varies from 1 to n, V2 star, VK, YIK. This is the equation. So V2 star for the 2 number bus, V2 is, magnitude of V2 is given, but delta 2 is not given. Delta 2 is not given. So we have to assume the delta 2. Delta 2 is equal to 0.0 degree. So V2 star here is equal to K varies from 1 to n, 1.0 to angle minus 0. Minus 0 or plus 0, one and the same. Okay? Then we have this value. So this multiplied by V1 Y 21 like this. We have the term. Okay? So V1 value, here V1 value is given to us 1 angle 0 degree. V1 value is given 1 angle 0 degree. So this value is 1.0 degree. Y21 minus 2, 6. So we have this magnitude and angle. We can calculate that. Taking the tan inverse of this, we can calculate the angle theta. So similarly, we have the further other terms. So from this equation, we will be able to find the value of Q2. So calculate the Q2 from this. Then check the limits. Calculated Q2 must lie between 0.2 and 0.6. If this value is within the limits, then okay. Otherwise, fix this value. Otherwise, we have to fix the value. We have calculated the value. This equation is giving the value of Q2. Okay? We already formulated the value of the Q2 equation. We have already formulated the QA equation. So in that equation you can substitute. So we have the, in terms of sine cos term also we have the this value. Yes. Like this. Minus of E varying from 1 to 2, V2, Vk, V2k, sine of theta ik, delta k minus delta k, I is 2. Using this equation, you can calculate the value of Q2, then check the limits. If it is within the limits, okay. If it is violating the limits, then fix the value. If Q2 calculated value from this equation is less than 0.2, then make Q2 is equal to 0.2. If the calculated value of Q2 comes out to be greater than 0.6, then make this value 0.6. So if you are fixing the values, then P2 is already fixed in the column, Q2 you are fixing now, so your type of the bus will change to the PQ bus, from PV to PQ bus. If it is the Q2 calculated is within the limit, then it's okay. Otherwise, we have to fix the limit, and this bus becomes PQ type bus, and we have to, using this equation, we have to calculate V and delta both. And if the calculated value of Q2 is okay within the limits, then substitute that value of Q2 here. And if you have fixed the Q2, again substitute here. But in case of the fixing the value, you have to find the V and delta here. But if you are not fixing the your Q2, then you have to take only the delta from this equation. Okay. So you have the P2, you have calculated the Q2 from here. V2 star is the magnitude is given. Angle you have assumed the 0 degree. Okay. Y22 is you have from this Y bus matrix. Okay. So substitute, you will calculate the value of A2, and from you have this value. Now Y21, in this equation, Y21 is this value. Okay. Then V1, you can convert this into the polar form. It is in the rectangular form. You can convert this into the polar form. Into V1. V1 magnitude and angle is given. Okay. Y22 you have from this Y bus matrix. Okay. Y23 this value. This value Y23. Y23, Y22 again you have, and V3. V3 again the value of V3 is not given. So you have to assume the value of V3 1 angle 0, or you can take this as 1 plus J 0. Similarly V4, Y24 0 value. So this equation, this term will becomes 0. Okay. Then Y25, this value Y22 you have. Okay. Then V5 you have a 0. So substituting this, you will be able to find the value of delta 2. If the limit is not violating, this equation is giving you the magnitude of voltage as well as the angle delta. But you have to keep only the delta value. Fixed value. If you are fixing the value of Q2, then you have to keep both the values V and delta from this equation. Okay. Then we have to move for the calculation of the next bus. Next bus is bus number 3. So our I becomes 3. Under that case, I becomes 3. Here will be 3. Here will be 3. Okay. 3, y33, ठीक है, yi. So again, here will be y31, y33, 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 32, 33, 34, 33, 35, 33. ठीक है? So here will be 3, P3, P3, Q3, B3. So for the third number bus, you have the values like this. Okay? Again, you have the one term here, minus of y. One number bus, two number bus, three number bus. Three number bus is, this will become three number bus, 1, 2.